This rescue of a man stranded on his truck in a flooded roadway, one of several that took place Monday morning in Houston. Hurricane Beryl was a strong Cat 1 storm as it blew into the city. Bands of rain whipping around high-rise buildings, reminders of straight-line winds from a storm that blasted out downtown windows May the 16th. Utility lines were torn down, transformers blown, and at one point, more than 2 million CenterPoint customers without power. Houston Mayor John Whitmire, one of them, and he urged residents to shelter in place, promising recovery efforts would start as soon as possible.
We've prepared for this moment. We're doing everything we can. In the coming days, we will restore all the resources, the power. Our multi-service centers will be prepared. We hope CenterPoint will continue to do their outstanding job. They're bringing in thousands of additional assistance, line personnel.
Beryl barreled into the Texas coast just east of Port Lavaca around 4 in the morning. Sustained winds of 80 miles per hour tore through coastal homes and buildings. There's structural damage near Freeport, Surfside Beach, and all the way up into Galveston. The storm surge swept over roadways, swamped residential areas, and trapped residents who chose to ride out the hurricane.
That tree limb right there could have been through the roof of our house instead of our shed. That one could have gone on our house instead of this way. So we'd just be grateful.
We're very thankful to the Houston Fire Department for rescuing us. We had to go out the second story off the ladder with the dog through the window to be rescued. So thank God everyone's safe.
After landfall, Beryl was downgraded to a tropical storm, and the harsh winds started to diminish. But not the rain, which continued to fall, causing more flooding as the storm moved out of Houston northeast toward Louisiana and Arkansas.